Give your servant a discerning heart to govern your people and to distinguish between right and wrong. 1 Kings 3:9. Most people know Solomon for his wisdom and wealth, but few take time to reflect on the moments of weakness, tough decisions, and life lessons hidden in his story. He asked for wisdom, not for his own gain, but to serve the people well, and that pleased God. Over time, though, his choices showed that even the wisest among us need constant spiritual awareness and humility. Today, let's take a moment to reflect and pray, learning from both the light and the shadows in Solomon's journey. God, I come before you with an open heart, ready to reflect on my path and my decisions. Like Solomon, I long for wisdom, to understand what is good, what builds up, and what brings me closer to you. There are times I face hard choices and don't know what's best. Teach me to value wisdom over temporary success. Help me walk with eyes focused on what truly matters. Solomon could have asked for anything, but he chose wisdom. That reminds me that the most important things aren't always what shine in the eyes of the world. Help me seek what feeds my soul and strengthens my heart. Keep me from clinging to what weakens my spirit. I want to grow with awareness and humility, not get lost along the way. Jesus, sometimes I get caught up in hurry, ambition, or pride. Solomon's story shows that even the blessed can lose their way if they don't guard their hearts. Teach me to keep watch over my thoughts and actions every day. I don't just want knowledge. I want wisdom to live with purpose. Help me avoid empty shortcuts in life. God, even as king, Solomon was human, full of desires and flaws. That reminds me that no one is beyond the need for spiritual grounding. Don't let me be fooled by what I have or achieve. Everything fades, except what's built on you. Strengthen my character so I won't drift in good times or fall apart in bad ones. Solomon started out with humility and reverence. May I start each day the same, teachable and full of respect. I don't want to think I know it all, because pride is the first step toward falling. Teach me to listen more than I speak, to think before I act, and to trust your guidance above all else. Jesus, I know real wisdom isn't just in books. It's in how we live what we learn. Solomon gave us Proverbs, but his story also warns about what happens when we drift spiritually. Help me live out what I believe. Let my life be a living message, one that inspires through actions, not just words. Lord, when Solomon let other values take over his heart, he drifted from you. That shows me how important it is to guard what I let into my mind and soul. Help me choose my thoughts, friendships, and desires wisely. Keep me from the lie that I'm in control. I want you to be my foundation and my safety. God, I ask forgiveness for all the rushed choices I've made without seeking your will. Just like Solomon had moments of regret, I see my own flaws too. Thank you for letting me start over, for opening new paths. Help me return to you, even when I feel far away. Teach me how to restart with courage and faith. Jesus, so many voices try to define success and happiness. But Solomon's life shows that not everything that glitters is gold. Help me hear your voice above all others. Let the quiet of prayer be louder than the world's noise. I want to walk in your truth. Lord, I don't want to use my mind just to solve problems, but to build bridges of love, peace, and kindness. Solomon ruled with justice. May I, even without a throne, rule my life with integrity. Let me be fair with others and with myself. May my wisdom bring blessings, not just answers. Even with all his glory, Solomon faced loneliness and doubt. That tells me that no amount of wealth can fill what only your spirit can. Help me never trade what's essential for what's flashy. Let me treasure what money can't buy: peace, family, purpose. May my soul be full of your presence. Jesus, I often search for answers outside when your wisdom is so close. All I need to do is pause, breathe, and listen. Solomon had dreams where you spoke. Help me hear you in everyday moments. In everything, I want to grow in knowing you and myself. God, true wisdom comes with humility. Knowledge without love becomes cold. Let my spiritual growth always be rooted in love. Help me speak kindly, think with empathy, and act with compassion. As Jesus taught, the greatest wisdom is to love. Let my heart not grow hard over time. Solomon drifted slowly without even noticing. That warns me not to let my faith go cold. May every prayer I pray rekindle my love for you. Let me stay amazed by the simple and the true. Jesus, remind me that wisdom means owning up to my mistakes. Solomon fell, but left behind wisdom through his story. Help me rise stronger after every fall. Let my life be a steady build, shaped by your light. Lord, I give you every part of my life. My thoughts, my choices, my relationships. Solomon asked for guidance to lead. I ask for guidance to live. I don't want to walk alone. I want to ask you first in everything. Help me honor you with my choices. God, no matter how busy life gets, I don't want to drift from you. Solomon had so many demands, and maybe that's what pulled him away. Teach me to set aside time for you daily. True wisdom grows in quiet moments. That's where I want to find you. Jesus, help me remember that wisdom also means waiting. Solomon made hasty choices at times. Teach me to trust your timing. Let me walk with patience, knowing everything comes when it's meant to. Lord, let me live with purpose, like Solomon did in his best days. Let me use my gifts, my story, even my pain to serve. I want my life to mean something, not just be impressive. Let the legacy I leave be the love I shared. Jesus, thank you for reminding me that even the wisest need you daily. I don't want to lean on my own strength. I want to depend on your grace. Teach me to live with balance, faith, and wisdom. And like Solomon, may I leave behind something truly good. If this prayer touched your heart, don't stop here. There are 2 more prayers on your screen. Choose one and keep this faith journey going. And if you haven't subscribed yet, now is the perfect time to join us for more messages like this. And don't forget to grab your free ebook in the video description. It's a powerful gift to help you grow in your spiritual walk. May God bless your life richly, and may Solomon's wisdom guide your steps every day. Amen.